24/7 teachers training. Our lesson by lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 2. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract, and the students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask the students to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Children from the age of 2 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable, and engaging so that the students put their best to learn. Let us start with the introduction to number 2. Students should be able to read, write, and represent number 2. Count number 2. Generate a set equal to number 2. Write number 2. Tell the students that we will be counting and writing number 2. Get them ready for the activity. Write number 2 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 2. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 2 balloons. 2 balloons. 2 balloons. 2 balloons. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Ask them to count the parts of the body that are 2 in number. For example, eyes, ears, hands, foot, etc. Play a number game with children. Ask them to follow instructions. Clap 2 times, snap 2 times, jump 2 times, tap 2 times, etc. Write number 2. Write number 2 on the board and give instructions. Start from the red point, draw a curved line around, and then draw a straight line across the bottom. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color, and match objects with the number 2. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 2 with the help of dots. Write 2 jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask the students to recognize 2. Reinforcement worksheet of number 2 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.